the OneAudio Fusion A7 headphones. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Fusion A7 Wireless Studio DJ headphones by OneAudio. I will go over some specs, features, provide microphone and sound samples. The company sent this out for me to review, and as always, I provide my honest and unbiased opinions in my reviews. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user guide, a micro USB cable for charging, a 3.5mm jack, and a 6.35mm jack. And it also comes with a convenient carrying pouch. The headphone can be used wired or wireless. It allows you to monitor your devices or instruments with the cables provided, or just use for casual listening. The Fusion A7 features the following: 25 hours of listening time and 20 hours of talk time. It takes about 2.5 hours to fully charge, uses Bluetooth 4.0, has 40mm speakers, and you can share the listening experience by plugging in the 3.5mm and 6mm cables to other headphones, micro USB for charging, and multiple jacks. The headphones are very light and the ear cups can swivel 90 degrees. On each side of the headband, they have the ear indicator etched in. The ear cups are also very soft and have an oval shape and provide decent padding. The top of the headband, you have a red stitching that provides a nice accent, along with the audio branding on the top. The padding is also decent and soft. The ear cups do fold in, which allows for a more compact storage design. As far as the adjustments on each side, it has a fairly good amount of travel, so this should have no issues fitting large heads. The outside of the ear cups have a wavy, circular design to them. On the right side, you have the following: the volume up, next track, the power button, play, volume down, previous track, 3.5mm aux in, the LED indicator, and microphone. And on the left side, you have the micro USB charge port and the 6.35mm port. As mentioned earlier, you can listen to multiple sources at once using the 6.35mm plug, for example, to an instrument, and using the 3.5mm plug into a smartphone. Or use it to daisy chain other headphones so you can share your listening experience. The jack also comes with a locking mechanism by just twisting it once it's inserted, so it can prevent from accidentally getting unplugged. Weight-wise, the headphones come in at 254 grams. And now just for some sound samples. I'm just going to put the headphones next to my Sennheiser microphone. And this is how the microphone sounds. This is a test of the OneAudio Fusion A7 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Also, while watching videos, I didn't experience any latency with the headphones. So here are my final thoughts on the Fusion A7 Studio DJ headphones. And sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. I found them to be very comfortable and they weren't too tight. The padding on the ear cups and headbands were sufficient, and you can wear these for long periods of time. Build quality was good for what you would expect at this level. When it comes to sound, I was very impressed with the lows. It had some nice, rich, deep bass. Mids and highs were very clean, crisp, and clear. The bass lovers will definitely love these headphones. These deliver with the wireless feature along with the multiple sources to connect to devices. It gives you the flexibility to use the headphones for many situations, whether it's for casual listening or monitoring. And the price point is a bargain in my opinion. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.